Tired of digging through Gusto's menus just to post a job? Learn to publish a complete listing in under 3 minutes. I'll click through from people to recruiting, then walk through every hiring field, title, salary, description, so you can post without guessing.
All right, let's get started by opening up Gusto. Then, go ahead and click on People. From there, click on Hiring to move forward. Then, click and select Recruiting. Now, click on Post a Job to start creating your job. Next, you'll type the job title into the field. Then, click and select the job type from the list. For the work location, click on Add. Or, if you'd like, click on Open to Remote. Now, type a short overview of the job. Then, type the salary range. And then, type the salary range again. Finally, click on Day, Hour, Month, or Year to pick your pay period. Now, type out the full job description. Once you've finished the description, click on Save and Continue to proceed. Finally, click on Save and Continue one last time to finalize your post. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.